see guys from here, see the marks. This section here, it says hard residue stuck on this panel. Best thing to do is to use a sponge and just elbow grease it. It has come off a little bit, but I just got to keep on doing it. And it's coming off, so if you focus on here, it is slowly coming off. I mean, I think the car's been parked in a barn or someplace for many months, and all the dirt has been embedded onto the paintwork. So we're going to keep on doing it, repeat until it's completely gone. Then I can focus on machine polishing the whole vehicle. But today's video is just to do a cleanup and just get much dirt removed as possible. I'm not sure if you can see from here, but that needs to be attended. That will be so we try and prime with this and see if we can get that fixed as well, because that's gone through the paintwork. There's deep scratches, so that's going to be sorted. And again, that same glue over here is on top of the roof as well. So yeah, I just need to put some elbow grease in and hopefully it'll come off. You can see some of the dirt, that's the residue that's come off from that panel there, and the same on the glass as well. So yeah, I'll be here for a bit longer and try to remove all the dirt as possible, as much as I can. So I'm going to use this as a spraying pot. There you go. I'm going to focus on the top part over here. And just move it there. All of this as well. So again, elbow grease, and it will hopefully remove all of the residue. It's just hard glue. I tend to do it backwards and forth, and that removes as much glue. Hopefully it will come off, guys. So we just washed the Porsche MACAN S. There was a lot of residue on the roof, and it took at least 3 guys to get it removed, and it took a bit of time, longer than expected. But good news is it's all gone, it's all cleaned up. Car is looking almost newish. Remove all the dirt from the car, so looking nice and clean. I'm going to use Adam's polishes, which is an air gun. I'm going to dry it off with this machine. It's in California, it's in the States, USA. You can see here Adam's polishes. Very powerful, so this will dry the car completely. And I'm going to show you a quick video of how good this machine is. And yeah, so I've zoomed into the headlight. You can see how wet it is. And with the Adam Polishes air gun, this will make it bone dry. So here it goes. That's how quick it is, so you don't need to use a microfiber cloth or towel to do it, because that'll take ages. Highly recommend this product. Adam's Polishes. You can purchase from the US online. It's the air gun, the best in the US. So guys, you can see the Porsche just from a distance. I have the Supra. So I have the Toyota Supra here on my right, and the X3 M Sport. I'm not going to show much picture or videos of the car yet, because my content is focused on the Porsche MACAN S. So from a distance, you can see it's all been washed. We do have a 360 of it, and I'll show you the after, of the Porsche basically. So Yeah, so the products I used is I used Gugon, which is a American brand, the best out there. You know, you could remove anything really, brake dust, bumper, window stickers, and so on. So this product is good if you want to replace or change or even remove the stickers of your car. Perfect product. We then used wheel detailer, so it gives an extra, protection. We also used quick wax, not being used, but we have used products from Maguire's really. Tire cleaner, and where's the other one? I used the Gold Class Car Wash, the best shampoo and it's a conditioner, so it does 2 in 1. So the best product, that I use, and I'd always recommend Maguire's because they really know their stuff. So another good product to, use a shampoo and conditioner. Can't find the other product. Where's it gone? Yes. Maguire's Hot Film Tire Shine. Again, you just spray it on. It's like a foam and you'll stick onto it for at least a couple of good days, even weeks if you're lucky. I also use a glass cleaner, which is again from Maguire's. So you can't beat the products from Maguire's at all. It is the best product that I recommend. So that's what I use on the Porsche. So we're going to move across and show you the Porsche. You've seen the before of the condition. Now you can see the after results. So if I zoom up from here, you can see already it is shining. And that's just the wash, guys. So I never machine polished it. Didn't use any compound. Even on the wheels, they are, shining. You can see the gloss effect. And that's using the Armor All wheel cleaner. I used Maguire's Tire Shine. And you can just see the results is just amazing. So very happy. There were a few scratch marks. I'm sure you must have seen on the introduction video. So there were marks across here. That seem to be gone. So still there, but I'm pretty sure I can get it machine polished and get that removed. So enough talking and enjoy the 360 view of this Porsche MACAN S. So yeah, there were few marks here as well that seem to be gone. I need to concentrate on that as well. So yeah, we're gonna work this out. So hopefully this mark should be gone, and we're gonna give a replacement, or we might fit a gloss black cover on the door handles. We have ordered the Porsche center caps same color because it came in black, so we're waiting on that. A few niggly sort of small things, but generally you can see the car is shining and is presentable, and we can drive it on a daily basis, whereas before you can see it was a bit of a trash. But yeah, very proud. We use back to black Maguire's polish, so you can see the bumper has got completely blacked out now where it was faded before. If I zoom in, you can see it just looks so much better. Replaced the Porsche, the P and the E badges. That was also put fresh ones on. And yeah, we're all impressed. Lock it. So the wheel was looking pristine, apart from the center caps, but generally speaking, I'm very impressed with the results. The headlights didn't need to be sanded down because there are scratch marks on both sides. So that'll be another video when I'll be doing, or even when we will be doing, polishing on that. So might use the products we have at home and try to get rid of these scratch marks. So yeah, there you are, guys. Porsche MACAN S, presentable, looking pristine, but I am definitely sure once I machine polish the entire car, it will transform the looks of it by by a massive margin. So show you the inside of it. It needs a clean, not as bad, but just you know, a deep cleaning would do. But this is the inside of the interior. So yeah, it's boiling pressed. It's nice and clean. It's just a little tidy up, but all good here, guys. Hope you enjoy the content, and I'll see you soon. And guys, please do subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. You guys will give me a massive support, you know, to create more contents on my YouTube channel. So share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.